Welcome, lovers of food and life. This is a channel dedicated to all things food, travel and culture, mainly food. My name's Jen and it's great to have you here. So today's recipe is salted caramel apple pancakes and I'm so excited. Let's just get straight to it. Run the intro.
To make these delicious pancakes, we'll need to add flour to a bowl, along with a pinch of salt, baking powder, and then we make a hole in the middle where we place an egg, sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. We then start whisking from the center while adding milk in a slow and steady stream and gathering the rest of the flour into the middle to produce a smooth batter that looks like so. Making sure you get all the flour into that, whisking well. We then place that into a glass jug and leave aside. Next thing we do is add some butter to our pan and make sure that is fully melted. We then pour our batter until you achieve the desired size of your pancakes. You then want to cook the pancakes until small bubbles start to form. And here is me using another camera to show you those bubbles. So let's take a look at that. So you can see the bubbles are starting to form there around the edges as well as in the middle of the pancakes. And you can then use what's traditionally known as a fish slice or egg slice and flip your pancakes over, like so. And once they've been flipped over, you can then continue to use your spatula to turn them around, or you can be fancy like I am doing here and flipping this pancake for no reason continually. Question of the day, can you tell how many times I flipped this pancake? Comment down below and I'll tell you if you got it right. So this is the type of colour you're looking for. So when it's a nice golden colour on both sides, then your pancake is done. Put your stack of pancakes aside and we'll now move on to our apples. So in a separate pan, place your sugar in the pan and caramelize until it goes from this to this. And once it's reached this stage, you want to immediately get your butter in there and then stir until that is well mixed. Next thing is to put your peeled and sliced apples in and ensure that they are in a single flat layer in the caramel and cook those on a low heat. And you want to cook those until the fork can go in. Next thing is to assemble your stack of pancakes. So we start with each pancake and we put some caramel sauce in between each pancake. And this is the homemade salted caramel sauce that we made in a previous video, which I will link above and below the video. So please take a look at that and make this sauce. We then want to add a layer of sauce in between each pancake, and you can put as many pancakes as you'd like. I don't imagine any self-respecting human is going to eat these many pancakes, but you never know. Okay, so we want to top those with our caramelized apples. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious? And when you are placing your apples on the top of the pancakes, do make sure to add the caramel that was in the pan. It's all good stuff, so you can get that on there. Okay, so this next part is for those of you that are extra like me, and we're going to add more salted caramel just for extra deliciousness. Look at that. So there you have it, salted caramel apple pancakes for you to enjoy.
Salted caramel apple pancakes, don't they look amazing? Make sure you try them out this pancake day or any day in fact, and let me know what you think. So until the next video, merci, Imela, asante sana. Bye.